evening, guys. Welcome to another video of Life with Keeping Port and Tony. So now, guys, I'm leaving work. So I'm gonna show you a bit of the town within the busy evening after 5, which is peak hours, when everyone leaving work. Stay tuned. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna just leave work and I go up at the town. So I take place. So let's give you a bit of adventure. See what it's like. It is hard to get taxi in the evening, guys, because everyone is leaving work like basically 4:35 after 5. So it's very difficult to get taxi within the evening hours. Guys, I'm like a few minutes away from the town center. Not really that. What's up? That far away. So it's not gonna take me that long to reach the town center. There's a traffic that soon develop. Whenever it's after 5, this traffic becomes rough in the town, guys. And the pier is not far away also. Yo, yeah, you see thing. Alright, bro. So guys, that's one of my smaller brother. That one is older than Tyrone. So yeah, he's the 5th child from my mom. Yeah, so Tyrone is the youngest. Guys, we have a lot of gas stations in the town, you know. Credit union. Guys, this is the road to the hospital. Yeah, this is the road to Port and Tony Hospital. It's close to Valentine, so there's a lot of red and white. A lot of pretty stuff. So I'm wondering who's gonna get me something for my Valentine. OMG. It's gonna be funny, guys. I hope I get something. Linda, you have memory card? Linda, you have memory card? Soccer, what's up? Welcome to Red and White, guys. KFC. Guys, I don't want the good things them. See them there? Yo, boss, so I go on. There, guys, there's a lot of red and white. Yo. So, guys, I'm going to Essie's clothes store. I mean, Essie's variety store. I'm going into Essie's variety store just to show you guys a few stuff. So if somebody wanna get me something for Valentine, guys, here you go. Hi Marlene, how are you? Here you go, guys. Yeah. guys, there's a lot of pretty stuff inside here. We'll find you. Where is it? We'll find you. Sorry. Cologne set, guys. I have a lot of teddy bears. See the cute bags in here. So anybody want to buy them girlfriends something or their husband or their boyfriends or their wives, yeah, you guys can come to Essie's Variety Store. I don't want people make camera don't come up to me, you know. Come on, let's go. Come, let's go. Because you're gonna be on the net. Where are you? You figure out which one you buy me it? Why? Which one you like? Show me which one you like. You know, show me just like buy me it. I think I might be getting something for Valentine's, guys. Hey. Needs a red and white balloon or a white sheet to decorate the room.
Yes!
God, that's early. Lot of kids stuff, guys. Girl, boys. A lot of toys, dolls, and boys. Here you go, guys. That what you like? Oh well. They got the right balloons that I wanted. I need 2 packs of balloons, 1 red, 1 white. That. So guys, whichever person feel they want to get me something or feel like they love me that much, I am available for that gift. Excellent order, guys.
If that's what it
Town is not really that busy this evening, guys.
You say I love you all day for me, young girl. Oh, young girl. No, tell me no, 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 no.
So guys, I'm gonna try go and get a cab. I'm going to stop by my mom in a few.